Welcome everyone, let's insert a SIM card into Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The main question you may be wondering, can I use dual physical SIM cards in Z Fold 4? Yes you can, there is dual SIM card slot and I'll cover how to use it. You can also use physical SIM and eSIM if you would like. So to get this started, you want to find the Z Fold 4 box. If you don't have the box, I'll cover in a couple of seconds what you can do. You're going to flip the box over and make sure you do split the bottom side with the top side, and inside the top side you'll see the Samsung logo and this little pull out leaflet. Just pull out like so, and you just want to find an opening. You can see the opening right here. Just pull on the tab like so, and you're gonna pull on this pull tab as well. If you pull all the way out, you're gonna see that SIM card ejector tool. You can use that tool for the next step. Now, if you don't have that tool, you don't have the box for whatever reason, you can use the SIM ejector tool from another device. This is from an iPhone. You can use a pin. You can also use a paper clip, which you extend out so that you have a sharp side, this little side right here. Once you have the tool you're going to use, let's get our Z Fold 4. We're going to find the left hand side of the phone. We're going to see a little outline and hole. This is where the SIM card tray is located. We're going to get the thin side of our SIM ejector tool. So you see where my middle finger is rubbing, use that side. Insert it into the hole. And you're going to push with a lot of force, okay? Push down, push down, push down, push down. And you should feel the SIM card tray slightly eject. And from here, you can use your fingernail. And you can see on the top side, there is a little ridge for your fingernail to rest, okay? Just pull up from the top side and the SIM card tray has been removed. So what you're going to notice here, if I just bring this closer to the camera, you can see SIM 2, I don't know if you can see that on camera, SIM 2 right here, and then on the other side, you have SIM 1. Okay, so you're going to put the first SIM card you want to insert into the SIM 1 area. So just find the ridge, okay, this ridge is that part right there. Make sure it matches with the ridge with the SIM card, okay. You can see the ridge is top left. And you just want to push down so the SIM card fits flushly in SIM 1, okay. Then you're going to flip over. Do keep in mind the SIM card will actually fall out when you flip over, so your index finger must be holding SIM 1 in place. Then you get the SIM 2, you insert it in the same way, and you just want to hold the SIM card tray like this, okay? Thumb over SIM 2, index finger over SIM 1. You just want to rotate the SIM card tool so that the hole is at the top. You're then going to find the Z Fold 4, and you just want to slowly insert the SIM card back in place. Sometimes the SIM cards will kind of like push out and it will block the SIM card tray from actually going back in. If that's the case, just kind of like nudge them back in, okay? You'll get used to it. Push down, make sure everything is nice and flush. And once you're good to go, you'll be able to see your SIM card and settings. So let's open up the settings app. We're then going to find connections. We're then going to find SIM card manager, and you should see SIM 1 and SIM 2 right here. Now if you do want to add eSIM plan, let's say you have the QR code ready, just tap on add mobile plan, scan QR code, and then you will need the QR code. You will either have this on a physical piece of paper or via email. Just get another device, place the QR code in the frame, and then eSIM will be set up successfully in Z Fold 4. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.